Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z9784XXA. 78,000 miles on this Malibu. It's a local trade, black granite metallic in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty on this Malibu. Seats 5. Split seat back fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 25 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.